So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to align a dimension with an arc or a circle. So for this there is a very simple command which name is dim angular right over here. So with the help of this thing you can align your dimension with the circle or the arc. You cannot um, and it will also help you to give you very specific place to place your dimension. So for that we'll need a circle. So let's say I'm drawing a circle over here, and then I say dim angular, which is I'll have to write for it. The command name is dim angular right over here. Dimangular. The command name is angular. That will help you to align a dimension with an arc or a circle. So for that you have to select, as you can see right in the gray box, that you have to select arc, circle, line for this. So for this I'm for this specific thing I'm selecting a circle, and with its help it will ask you where you want to align your dimension. As you can see it on the yellow line, let's say we just do it randomly over here. So this thing will now align the total dimension of the circle right over on the basis of the yellow line that we have selected. So the dimension is right over here, which is at an angle. So this also gives an angle of the thing we have selected. So, and as you can see this is very small right over here. So how to change it is as simple as that we edit anything in AutoCAD, which is by writing properties and going right down to the option of text height. Here you can change it to anything that you want. Let's say I'm writing it 10 and just pressing enter, so it will change its thing to the text height that you have chosen. And this thing can also be repeated with an arc. So let's make an arc 2 with an command arc. You have to specify 2 points for that, and then the height for it. So this is a 3 point arc right now of which I'm doing. So again we'll repeat the command, that is dim angular right over here, and we'll select the arc, and then we will select where we want to give. So again the thing is very small, which is 180-degree. So for this we will not go in properties and change the text height and go in text and change the text height. We will not do that. A simple command which is right at the top, or you can also write ma. For this you have to do is match property, just select the source object which we have set it right over here, or from any of the old drawing that you have done right over here. So you have to select a source, and then you have to select the destination object. For this thing, the destination object is this dimension which was small, and which we want to make it bigger as this same text size. So we have to click on this, and that's it. Voila, the thing is done. So the command is very useful, which is dim angular, and it helps you to align a dimension with an arc or a circle. So yeah, that's it for the video, and thank you for watching. And if you found that this video was useful and you can use it in aligning or giving your dimension in a circle or an arc, then please share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.